change and filter replacement, BMW 320D 2020. Let's go. Let's straighten the wheels a bit. Ramps out the van. To drive. That'll do. Mil socket. Pop the bonnet. Underneath we go. Oil filter. Old filter into the bag, like so. Remove the old O-ring. Washer will save for later. New O-ring goes on first. Lubricate with a bit of oil. New filter. Just like so. A bit of oil around the O-ring again. Making sure we line up the O-ring in the slot in the filter housing. Tighten back up with a wrench, and once it stops out, that's it, it's done. Take our washer and replace existing washer. Fit like so, and tighten. Not too tight. Cover. Back on. I've got about 5 litres in here, so I know we haven't really lost any. New oil, BMW LL04 long life spec. Straight through, no funnels, and he spills a bit. Excellent. It's a bit windy, so it's blowing all the oil around. I can't. Take old oil into oil container. Oil pan goes back in the bag, like so. Dispose of that later through environmentally friendly methods. Engine start. No leaks from filter housing, oil caps on square. No leaks from underneath. Bonnet closed. Into reverse. Ramps back in. That is job done.